Welcome back to John Kleis Car. My name is Max. Today I've got a Jaguar XFR behind me. This is a nice model. Don't often see the XFRs. Have a little look around it. It's got the old supercharged V8 engine in it, I believe, but what a bit of kit. These normally look pretty basic, the XF range, but this one looks well meaty. Carbon fibre bits everywhere. I believe it's running an insane amount of power, but what a car. Been in for a bit of repair work. Reverse camera wasn't working originally. That happened to be some broken wires. Customer also wanted to get Apple CarPlay in his car, so all this video is to give you a quick show on what that looks like. Right, here we are in the interior. So Apple CarPlay works on the factory screen here. You can utilise the factory screen for controlling it. It's a little bit slow, these factory screens. I'm not demonstrating it very well, but it is usable. You just have to be a bit slower and more precise with it. But there's not really any options on these cars to get a decent Apple CarPlay system fitted. It's quite nice, it integrates into the factory Bluetooth for calls and the sound, so this factory Meridian sound system still sounds great. You can use the skipping tracks for skipping through your songs, so you can have your navigation on the screen, skip through your music. You've got the buttons on the steering wheel as well, and also for answering the calls you can use those too. So it works all on the factory screen. You've got DAB radio apps, which we recommend if you want to listen to DAB when having this CarPlay system fitted, because it just means that you can have all your navigation instructions, all your DAB playing, you can have it all coming through the screen, and it works really nicely. This car does have a factory reverse camera on it, so when you stick it into reverse, that'll switch to factory reverse camera and come out of reverse. But Apple CarPlay, if you don't know about it, it's just a much nicer way of integrating your phone into the car, which just makes life a lot easier for sending messages, music, phone calls, got all your recents, contacts, keypads, all of that jazz. But yeah, much nicer way of just getting a better map solution in your car. Real easy to use maps. You're not just stuck with postcode and door numbers. You can just go on a search, type in whatever you want. Say we're going shopping at Waitrose, hit that into the system, press go. There we go. All wirelessly connects up to the telephone, so that'll just hop in and connect into it when you get in the car. But yeah, that's a Jag. The factory system still works the same. If I just go back to it, it looks a little bit like this. We leave the audio video source connected to Bluetooth, and then we run the way you switch into the system. So all of this system is still the same. When you press the navigation button on the factory system, it takes you into our Apple CarPlay device. But that is everything from this brief video. My name's Max. Thanks for watching John Kleis' video. If you've got a Jag or any other car you want to get Apple CarPlay, reverse cameras, security, get in contact with us and we can create a solution for you. Take care now. I'll see you later.